Hey, don't skip the video. Thinking it will be another lecture on making a time schedule of all your daily work schedule, which you have made a number of times watching many inspirational time management videos. Your parents and teachers would have really told you a number of times to make such schedules, but those schedules don't really work in the real world. Let me tell you one thing: most of the people really find it difficult to stick to such schedules. So today I've come with you a very innovative and creative type of time management program type thing. Like if you follow this for 21 days, most probably like 95 to 99% there is chance that you will be able to manage your time in the most efficient way, increase your productivity and prioritize your work efficiently. So as you can see, we'll be zooming into it, which is known as the Eisenhower's matrix, and we'll be using this matrix to allocate time to specific things that we need to do daily, and it will really help us to manage our time efficiently. So let's get started with the video, guys. So guys, this is the Eisenhower's matrix. Here we use the urgency level of the work that we need to do and take into account the importance of the job. So for example, if we have 10 assignments to do during a day, we will be classifying those things into the 4 quadrants on the basis of the urgency level and the importance level. So for example, you can read it out, right? That reduce, schedule, delegate, delete. What it means is that, for example, if you have an exam tomorrow, what you have to do, it is urgent, right? And it is also important, so we put this thing into the first quadrant. Then you might be working out in a gym, building your body, or maybe you are a freelancer, or maybe you are making videos for YouTube, or just be interested in finance, your personal finance and all. So this is important. You need to do these things. You need to focus on your health, you need to focus on your finances, you need to focus on these things, but these are not urgent, right? You can schedule it for a different time, so you put these things in the second quadrant. Then we have the third quadrant, which is urgent but it is not important. Now it may be going to the grocery shop. Your mother might be calling you to urgently go to the shop. You can delegate it, means it doesn't require your expertise. You have to find who can do it for you. It might be your brother or maybe your father. You might be telling them to do that job for you. And it has different examples as well, like if your friends are calling for help, and you should help them, of course, but these things doesn't require your expertise, is not required. You have to find another person who can do it for you, these things. And fourth quadrant is those which are the things you have to delete from your life. For example, wasting time on the social media, like Instagram, then Facebook, randomly scrolling through the YouTube as well. So these things you need to totally ban and try to avoid it as far as possible. Or maybe going out with your friends on a daily basis, these are the things you need to delete. So these are the 4 main points that what you need to do is first thing is the jobs you classified into the first quadrant. You need to do these jobs first. These are urgent, needs to be done at the moment. You do it. So these are do it now. Then is those which help you for your long-term goals, like building your body, taking care of your finances, or maybe reading a book. These are not urgent, but these are very absolutely essential for your long-term goals. So what you should try is do this as quick as possible. If it's urgent, you need to do. If it's important, you need to do. But try to transfer time into this quadrant, because you need to focus on this quadrant the most. These are those things which will help you in your accomplishing your long-term goals. And what it is, this matrix is, you need to minimize these two as far as possible. Try to allocate the time you have, these two, the time you are spending in these two activities. Like you have to try to make collect this time and deposit here, mainly, which we should be focusing on this quadrant only. Now what are the disadvantages of it? Disadvantage is that, as I've written, it requires effort, resources and complexity. So what I mean is that it depends upon your effort. For example, one can finish the job in 1 hour, the thing in first quadrant, he will have more time for the second quadrant. It depends a lot upon the effort we put, the genuine quality of our efforts, and so it depends a lot on it. Then also it depends on resources, like you need to have people who can really do this job for you. If you have an important phone call to attend, for example, if you are a professional, you have a business and you have an important meeting to be done, that's not important for you maybe, but these are urgent meetings. If you can find another person who can do it for you, you are free. But that depends upon if you have the resources, if you have the person whom you can delegate the job. So it depends a lot on this. So guys, this is what I wanted to share. So guys, this is all from this video. I hope you find this useful. So as I say repeatedly, I am saying, try to minimize the time you spend in the third and fourth quadrants. Try to finish the first quadrant as fast as possible, and work on your long-term goals, because that is what will make you successful. So with this, I will be ending this video, and share this video to all those person you find a lot of potential, but they are not being able to really display their potential, show their true potential. Maybe because of the because lack of their time management skills, and they're losing a lot of time on useless issues. So try to help these people, and spread the video to them, and share them so that they get the necessary help. So bye guys, thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to this channel if you want. Thank you.